Good morning class. So today's topic is formal communication. In previous classes we have discussed about the meaning of communication and its procedure. Today we will discuss about what is the meaning of formal communication. So beta, formal communication refer to the official communication taking place in the organization whenever there is any change in view or message or information related to the official matter, such as assignment of tasks, fixing of responsibilities, granting authority, or setting up of targets, objectives, etc., then it is known as formal communication. Okay, beta. So whenever in any organization we have to pass any official information, then we will use the formal communication channel. Okay, so for this, remember one of the principle of Fayol, that was scalar chain. What was happening in the scalar chain? We have seen one procedure, one step. Like here it was A, B, C, D and E. Okay. Here we can say L, M, N, O. So any of the information which is passing from the A will be passed to B. First of all, A will pass the information to the B, B will send this information to C, C will send this information to D, D will send this information to E, and E will send this information to F. Okay, this is the sequence, this is the type of formal communication in which all the information is passing through a particular chain, particular route. Okay, in the same manner here A will send the information to L, then M and O. Clear? So this is the one of the best example of formal communication. Okay, beta. And now formal communication takes place in written form, such as issue of notice, letter, memo, document, etc. Verbal or oral channel are avoided in formal communication. Okay, remember this thing. The formal communication will always be in writing. Okay, it will be always in written. Verbal communication will be avoided in formal communication. Then beta, according to direction of flow, formal communication can be divided into 4 types. First type is downward communication. Okay, here we will have downward communication, short form of communication we can write CC. So downward communication means when information is flowing from top to bottom. Here it is the top person and here it is bottom. So the movement is from top to bottom. This is known as downward communication. Okay, so when information is passing through from the top to bottom, it is known as downward communication. In the same manner, beta, what will be the upward communication? When we are sending information from top to bottom, bottom to top. Whenever we are sending information from bottom to top, then this type of communication is called upward communication. Clear? Getting my point? Downward means top to bottom, upward means bottom to top. Okay. Third type of communication is formal communication is horizontal communication. When two same level of person or person who are sitting on the same level, same post, and they are talking to each other, that communication will be known as horizontal communication, like D. this D is talking to this end. Okay, if such type of communication is taking place between the two same rank officers or managers, then it will be known as horizontal communication. And the fourth type of the communication is diagonal communication. Diagonal, you know it very well. Diagonal communication is a flow of information between the person working in different department and holding a different level of authority. Okay, if I talk about here, then this C, when this C will communicate with this O, then it will be known as diagonal communication. In mathematics, you studied about the diagonal. Okay, so this is the rectangle and this part, this is known as diagonal. Okay, so I hope all the things are clear to you. If you have any doubt, then you can ask. Thank you so much.